In this video, we're going to talk about ticker timers. We're going to look at what a ticker timer is and how to analyze the ticker tape from a ticker timer for both constant velocity and for acceleration. A ticker timer is a machine that we can use to measure motion. What it has is a moving arm that bounces up and down over an electromagnet at a rate of 50 times per second, and a disc of carbon paper with an opening to run a line of paper called ticker tape through it. As it bounces at 50 times per second or 50 hertz, it leaves a dot on the paper, and we can then look at where the dots are on the paper and analyze the motion of whatever the ticker timer was attached to. When something's traveling at a constant velocity, the dots will be the same distance apart. And the faster an object is moving, the further apart the dots are going to be. So here we have two ticker timers. You can see that here we have two ticker tapes, and you can see that the top one has dots that are about twice as far apart as the second one. So therefore, we can work it out that the top one's going about twice as fast. We can also show acceleration on a ticker tape. When accelerating, the dots will start close together, so going reasonably slowly, and then spread apart till they're quite far apart, so traveling with a high velocity. Deceleration or negative acceleration is the opposite of this. They'll start far apart, so with a high velocity, and then decrease to become close together, so ending up with a low velocity. And you can see that in these two ticker tapes here. The first one has dots that are very close together, then they get further apart, so the speed or velocity is increasing. And in the second one, you can see that they start far apart, so start fast, and then slow down, so therefore the velocity is decreasing. We have deceleration. In this video, we've looked at the ticker timer being a machine that places dots at a rate of 50 dots per second onto a ticker tape. We've looked at how we can analyze the ticker tape to work out velocity and acceleration. That constant velocity, the dots are the same distance apart, so equal distances apart, and if they are closer together, they are slower than if they are further apart. And acceleration being that the dots start close together and then get progressively further apart, while deceleration, they start far apart and get progressively closer together.